Okay, first of all, let me take you to the foundation of this world. Yeah, MeYɛ Asanteni, we're the rock of ages. What do you want me to tell you before you know that Asantes is the capital city of the world? I feel your pain because you wanted to brag about your tribe, but since I am ahead of you, you feel like your words are filthy like a rag. Nevertheless, be proud of your tribe and use the energy to promote it rather than giving up and thinking that insulting Ashanti will be like encouragement. However, it's a trap. We come like a horror movie and you're trying to turn it off. Now why are you crying? Now why are you silent? Who even advised you to be mute? Please don't give up, let's keep the race going. Hello? Hello? Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Now who locked the zoo gates? Who locked the zoo gates? I say who locked the zoo gates? Because I haven't seen those who started this first, where are they? So who locked